Hey guys, it's Julie from Yes It's Paper Creations, and my SD card died before you finished seeing what we did here. No, it wasn't that page, was it? Yeah, I guess it is this page. No. Huh. You might not have seen this page at all because it was this page I was working on. Oh, Lord. So if it did not play, this is a pocket. So you put this together like all the other pockets. Oh, Lord, let me see. Okay, here is a large pocket, and it's a full page pocket, but it's the plain one. It's not the curved one. I use the curved one here. So you're going to put it on the same way you do, just like this. And then you tear off the tape cover. I used a glue stick, and then I put it on, keeping it away from your score line. So you're just going to put it on. Like this. You want your open end on the right. So you're going to put it on like this. And then you're going to put on your mat. And after the mat, you put on your corners. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really thrown that it doesn't look like this recorded. And yet I checked it and it was showing that it was recording. So I might just have to check that SD card again. Maybe I was looking at the wrong one. So anyway, if this didn't record, when I get a chance to go back and check the SD cards, then I will re-record it. Okay, so here we are on page 6. And this is what page 6 is going to look like. Oh, come on, come on. So we have a flip page, and this is, where's page 6? This is the large Lotus flip page solid. So as you can see, you have this design here, and it doesn't include the cutout part here. There are 3 small pockets, but I cut them out at 50%. We also have a pocket. This pocket is from the collection, the Vectoria Designs collection. And we have these tags. These tags here are from the Vectoria Design collection. Oh, I have a tiny little booklet here, which this is, not sure which way they go. That way? Yeah. That is from this SVG with all the layers. So this is the largest size, and then what you saw there might be the smallest. I'm thinking. Maybe not. Anyway, and then these are all from the ephemera, from the Vectoria Designs, the same with these guys, and this postcard here. So let's get into it. Okay, so get rid of this. I have everything ready. So what I want to start with is putting on the flip page. So the flip page is going to go on this end right here. Right like that. And you can put it right up to the edge. You might have to do a little bit of wiggling, which is why we use, yeah, you know what it's called. Yeah, glue stick. Oh, Lord. Okay, this is the front. Okay. And yes, with these, what I try to do before I even take this off of my cutting mat is I write front on it. Because these guys, I showed you in a previous, but you may not have seen that. This is the back, and well, look at that, it does fit. Okay, maybe it's not this one. Okay, this one works both ways, frontwards and backwards. The side tag one does not. Okay, so let's take off the tape backing. Add a bit of glue stick. And I'm going to run just a little bit of glue right there. Because I only had a 1/4 inch tape. I need to find the 3/8. And let's attach it. Make sure you're right side up. You can get as close to this edge as you want. It's not a folded edge. So that's all good. Hold that there. Oh. And there we are. This is the one that it isn't the same both ways. It looks perfectly symmetrical, but it isn't. Now we'll go inside, give that a good press. And now we can put on our mat. Oops. Oh, come on, you worked it. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you worked just a minute ago. But that was a minute ago. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay. Okay. Oh, to remember to plug in my phone. This is the first time I have recorded with my phone, so we're just seeing how it works. I discovered that my phone only had an SD card of 8